What's up, guys? So literally just got to 100 subscribers yesterday, so I'm just making this video letting you guys know how to make a custom URL for your YouTube channel, because pretty much one of the main things that you need is to have 100 subs. As you can see back there on my gaming desk, there's no monitor or PS4 anymore. Had to sell the things. We were pretty tight on money since we just moved, and we hadn't got our deposit back from our old place. Plus we had to pay the rent for, plus we paid the first and last month, the first month and the security deposit for our new place. We paid the rent from our old place, and we just haven't got the security deposit back last month, so it was just, we were pretty tight. And I lost my wallet, so I didn't have the money to complete our rent, and I just had to sell my things just to complete it. And we're pretty much good now, so hopefully I can get my stuff back soon. But yeah, so any future videos are actually going to be like my last one, where I was talking about the Asus VG245H, where I'm going to pretty much just be giving my opinion on different monitors and whether or not you guys should buy them or not. Probably pretty much what's a good choice, whether what you should be looking for, what console you're playing on, whether you're playing on console or PC, stuff like that. So yeah, anyways, let's just get into the video. This is for creating a custom URL, and I'm gonna be showing this stuff on the iPad, so check it out.
Alright, so sorry about the lighting, and apparently I can't even show you the whole process, but I can show you just part of it. I guess maybe because I just got to 100, it tells me I'm eligible, but it doesn't show me the whole, like once I click the link, it doesn't actually show me the rest, so I can actually confirm. But I'll show you guys what to do. So just open up your Google Chrome, or Safari, or whatever web browser you're using. So these. Okay, so for YouTube, you're gonna put youtube.com/features, and then you should get this page. It tells you all the things that are enabled. I don't have the monetization yet. I gotta get to 1,000 subscribers, and I still need my 400 hours of watch time. I think I'm currently like at 100 and something, maybe 200 now. I'm not sure yet. Gotta check on that. I think if you click on learn more, it actually shows you. Let's see. 100 subscribers. Oh, you need 4,000 hours, and I'm at almost 1,500, so not bad. On my last channel I was like well over 4,000, and I only had like 400 subscribers. So hopefully it goes better this time, faster this time. Anyways, so you just gotta go to the custom. Sorry for the. There you go. You go to the custom URL, and you would click enable, and then this page is supposed to load up, and you're supposed to be able to confirm. I think it names it after your channel. So I did hear that if you wanted to, if you were gonna change your channel from like a personal channel to like a brand channel, you should change the name of the YouTube channel before you do this, because I think your only option is to change it into the YouTube name that you have. So mine would be youtube.com, I think /channel/LeeJohnTech. And so yeah, like if you were gonna change it into I don't think you're allowed, I don't know if you're allowed to change it after that. Like maybe if you change your YouTube name, I don't know if you're allowed to change the URL after that, or if you gotta call. I think you probably can, but you're gonna have to call like with the customer service and stuff, which is probably why it's recommended to just change it beforehand, so you don't have to deal with all that. But it's that simple. And this is, if you've seen any of my other videos or whatever, you would know that I had an iPad Pro. I ended up selling that for like, I got the OtterBox and the iPad, and I had it for like $750, and I ended up selling it for $800. So I kind of made a profit out of that, but I needed to sell it so that we can move into this new place. Again, if you've seen any of the other videos, you've probably seen the place already, but yeah, I needed the money to move into this place, so it was worth it. This is my daughter's iPad, as you can see from all the like kid things on it, but I use it sometimes for my stuff, kind of hoping that maybe if anything I could just get one of these. This is the 7th gen iPad, which is still good quality. Does everything that I needed to do. I could probably just edit my videos on here. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and there's gonna be a feature. There's gonna be a giveaway happening soon, probably with my next video that I upload after this one. I'm gonna be announcing the giveaway. It's gonna be like a small gift card. I'll let the winner choose whatever they want, and I'll email them the gift card. So yeah, thanks for watching again, and peace out.